This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Cooling system servicing. The bonnet release lever is located on the bottom of the lower dash panel. Open the bonnet by releasing the locking lever from the bottom of the dashboard above the throttle pedal. Lift the front of the bonnet up and release the safety lever before lifting the bonnet up and locking in position with the prop bar. On two-wheel drive models, place the jack beneath the front crossmember to raise the front of the vehicle. On four-wheel drive models, place the jack beneath the front diff mount to raise the front of the vehicle. Lift the vehicle up and place jack stands beneath the chassis as shown. Carefully lower the jack until the stands are supporting the weight of the vehicle. Leave the jack in place and rock the vehicle from side to side to ensure it is securely supported on the jack stands before removing the jack from beneath the vehicle. Remove the fasteners from the cover under the radiator, then remove the cover for access to the drain plug, which is located in the radiator's lower tank. Move a large container under the radiator drain to catch the coolant. Unscrew the drain fitting, then remove the radiator cap. While the coolant is draining, check the condition of the radiator hoses, heater hoses, and clamps. Remove the coolant reservoir and pour the coolant into the drain pan. Rinse out the reservoir with clean water. Once the coolant has drained completely, install the drain plug and tighten securely. In severe cases of contamination or clogging of the radiator, remove the radiator and have a radiator repair facility clean and repair it if necessary. Once the system is completely drained, disconnect the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing. Remove the thermostat from the engine, then reinstall the thermostat housing without the thermostat. This will allow the system to be thoroughly flushed. Disconnect the upper radiator hose, then place a garden hose in the upper radiator inlet and flush the system until the water runs clear at the upper radiator hose. To refill the system, install the thermostat. Remove the 3 torque screws and remove the thermostat cover from the thermostat housing. Clean the area the thermostat sits in with a clean rag and water, and also clean the mating face of the thermostat cover. Ensure the O-ring is sitting correctly around the thermostat. Install the thermostat with the jiggle valve facing up. Install the cover and tighten the screw securely. Connect the upper radiator hose to the thermostat housing. Connect the upper radiator hose to the radiator. Slowly fill the radiator with the recommended mixture of antifreeze and water until coolant reaches the base of the radiator filler neck. Then add coolant to the reservoir until it reaches the full cold mark. Wait 5 minutes and recheck the coolant level in the radiator, adding if necessary. Leave the radiator cap off and run the engine in a well-ventilated area until the thermostat opens. Coolant will begin flowing through the radiator and the upper radiator hose will become hot. Rev the engine to approximately 2,500 RPM for 10 seconds, then let it idle. Do this a few times. Turn the engine off and let it cool. Add more coolant mixture to bring the level back up to the base of the filler neck. Squeeze the upper radiator hose to expel air, then add more coolant mixture if necessary. Reinstall the radiator cap. Add coolant to the reservoir if necessary. Start the engine, allow it to reach normal operating temperature, and check for leaks. Install the cover beneath the radiator and tighten the fasteners securely.